Early Wednesday morning, Hurricane Maria made landfall as a Category 4 storm in Puerto Rico. Maria caused significant damage and forced widespread power outages across the island. You can read more about the storm here. Included in that damage was Horn Stadium, the same venue that's scheduled to host a Twocom series between the Minnesota Twins and Cleveland Indians next year. Here's a look at some of what Maria left behind. Obviously, baseball is at the bottom of the list, so far as Puerto Rico's priorities go. We wish the island's citizens the best of luck. On a more trivial note, it's unclear if or how this will affect MLB's plans for next year's series. Baseball has recently had to alter the locations of series due to Hurricanes Harvey and Irma. Irma also forced the Twins to cancel their instructional activities.